Hi guys, thank you for watching episode 10 of Matt's Cookbook. I hope you enjoyed it. I wanted to do something a little different, a little special for the 10th episode. I know it's nothing big, but you know, I thought I'd do a review as well as a MyProtein product for this episode. So what I've got here is a chocolate flavour, as you saw in the video, protein pancake mix from MyProtein. This is the 1 kilogram bag, and as you saw in the video, I used a 100 gram serving, which is actually 2 servings. So in a 1 kilo bag like this, it's going to cost you £15, and that's going to get you 20 normal 35 gram protein servings. But like I said, I used 100 grams in my video, so that's 70 grams of protein, I think 2 grams of fat and 10 grams of carbs, around there. I will check and put it in the description if that's wrong. But yeah, it's great, really easy as you saw, delivered quick. MyProtein, I'm sure most of you have heard of them, they're a great company. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Just really like them, thought I'd give this a go, because I don't know about you guys, but I find it pretty hard to find sort of just a nice, quick, easy, most importantly tasty protein snack throughout the day, unless you're paying like for Quest bars, which I like personally, but I do think they're a little steep in price. This is great. You're looking at like 75p for a normal 35 gram of protein pancake, which is insane. I think it's great, really tasty. I have the chocolate one, like I said, as you saw in the video. I could personally eat it on its own, tastes great. I know there's a maple syrup flavour as well, and a couple of other flavours I think, which I'm sure I'll get around to tasting in the next few weeks or months, and I'll let you know how I find them. But yeah, chocolate protein pancake mix from MyProtein, really good, definitely check it out. You could even just get one of the smaller bags for a £5 or something, it's nothing. Throw it in the pan, 5 minutes, put a little bit of peanut butter on it, or banana or whatever, like I did, whatever you like. And you've got a really nice post-workout meal, or maybe even just a little meal before bed if you're having it on its own. All protein, you're not going to be storing any extra fat from unused carbs or anything. Just yeah, really good, really tasty, definitely recommend it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. As always, like and subscribe if you can please. Drop a comment as well. Yeah, let me know if you've got any questions, any ideas for any future videos, not just on the cooking front, but generally on YouTube, fitness related, life related, anything, let me know. I'll try and get that done for you. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.